because a lot of times the people that recommend having 2 subs, they'll be like, "Oh, yeah, it could cause even more significant improvements in a small space than in a bigger space," and that's because small spaces are more prone to those modal problems, and adding 2 subs could help combat that, in terms of, combating issues with the low frequencies, and so a lot of people will recommend adding a sub, right? If you have 1 sub, add a second sub in a small space and see if that helps fight some of the issues that you may have been dealing with. And that's also why some people will advocate for using even more base treatment in a small space than you might use in a larger space. Base energy often accumulates in a room and accumulates in the corners. And the way I think about it, I'm not sure if this is totally accurate, but when you have a smaller space, those corners are all closer together. So, using base treatment, using those base traps in the corner, maybe even more beneficial, more critical if you're in a small space.